Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast.
Hello, we are so happy you are here today.
My name is Noah.
And I'm Chloe.
Today, we will learn useful English for ordering food and drinks at a coffee shop.
This is one of the most common everyday situations.
You can use these sentences when you visit a coffee shop anywhere.
Don't worry if you are a beginner.
We will speak slowly, clearly, and naturally.
Let's begin.
Good morning. Welcome to Sunny Coffee.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
What would you like today?
I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Certainly.
Thank you.
Would you like a small, medium, or large coffee?
A medium coffee, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Would you like milk?
Yes, a little milk, please.
Would you like sugar?
Yes, 1 spoon of sugar.
Anything to eat?
Yes, I'd like a cheese sandwich.
Would you like it toasted?
Yes, please.
Great choice.
Thank you.
Is that everything?
Yes, that's all.
Your total is $8.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Here you are.
Thank you. How long will it take?
About 5 minutes.
No problem. Here is your coffee.
It smells wonderful.
And here is your sandwich.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Is everything okay?
Yes, the coffee is delicious.
I'm happy to hear that.
I'll come back again.
We look forward to seeing you.
Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye. Now let's practice useful coffee shop English.
Great.
I'd like a cup of coffee.
I'd like a cup of coffee.
Can I see the menu?
Can I see the menu?
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
I'd like a latte.
I'd like a latte.
I'd like a cappuccino.
I'd like a cappuccino.
I'd like a cup of tea.
I'd like a cup of tea.
I'd like a cheese sandwich.
I'd like a cheese sandwich.
Can I have it toasted?
Can I have it toasted?
For here, please.
For here, please.
To go, please.
To go, please.
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
See you again.
See you again.
Let's learn some useful words.
Ready.
Coffee shop.
A place where people buy coffee and snacks.
Menu.
A list of food and drinks.
Coffee.
A hot or cold drink made from coffee beans.
Latte.
A lot of milk.
Cappuccino.
Coffee with milk and foam.
Sandwich.
Bread with food inside.
Toasted.
Heated until the bread is crispy.
Sugar.
Something sweet that you add to drinks.
Receipt.
A paper that shows your payment.
Barista.
A person who makes and serves coffee.
Today, let's learn I'd like.
It is a polite way to order food or drinks.
I'd like a coffee.
I'd like a sandwich.
I'd like some water.
Very useful.
Now, let's learn would you like.
We use it to offer something politely.
Would you like milk?
Would you like sugar?
Would you like anything else?
You will hear this question in many coffee shops.
Let's practice together.
Repeat slowly.
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
Sandwich.
Sandwich.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Receipt.
Receipt.
Barista.
Barista.
Excellent.
Practice these words every day.
Hello, welcome.
Hi.
What would you like today?
I'd like a large latte, please.
Hot or iced?
Iced, please.
Would you like anything to eat?
Yes, I'd like a chocolate muffin.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
Your total is $7.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Chloe, how do you order a coffee politely?
I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Excellent. Noah, how do you ask for the menu? Can I see the menu?
Great.
How do you ask to pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Perfect.
Everyone listening, how would you order a toasted sandwich?
Say your answer out loud now. What is your favorite drink at a coffee shop?
Tell us in the comments.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
We'd love to read your answer.
If today's lesson helped you, please like the video.
And subscribe for more Easy English podcasts every week.
Today, we learned useful English for ordering at a coffee shop.
We practice ordering drinks, asking questions, paying, and talking politely.
Try listening to this episode again and repeat every sentence.
The more you practice, the more confident you will become.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
We hope you enjoyed this lesson.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Keep speaking English every day.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Have a wonderful day.